In this channel, we try to review all different chapters of primary school math. Now that we have learned the basic of adding and subtracting, now we can solve the problem. I have some practice here. Last week, 738 boys and 679 girls have visited the zoo. 485 ice cream and 308 sandwiches have been sold. How many children have visited the zoo? Okay, first question, how many children have visited the zoo? So we have 738 boys and 679 girls. So if we add these together, 8 and 9, 17, 10 and 1, 11, 13, 1, 14. So this number is the total of children who visited the zoo. What is the difference? So how many children have visited the zoo? 1417. What is the difference of boys and girls who visited the zoo? The difference is the keyword for subtracting. So what's the difference of boys and girls? 738 minus 679. Obviously the bigger number on the top for doing the subtraction. Okay, 8 minus 9 is not possible because 9 is bigger, so we have to borrow from this. So 3 will be 2 and 8 will be 18. Now 18 minus 9 is 9. 2 minus 7, again 7 is bigger than 2, so we have to borrow from this. 7 will be 6, 2 will be 12, 12 minus 7 is 5. 6 minus 6 is 0. So 59. 59 is the difference of boys and girls who visited the zoo. If any kid has bought just one item at the zoo, how many children have not bought anything there? Okay. We know that 485 ice cream and 308 sandwiches have been sold. So we can add these together to find out how many items, how many things have been sold there. So 485 plus 308, 485 ice cream, 308 sandwiches. So by adding these together, we can find how many food item has been sold. So 5 and 8, 13. 1 goes up, and 9, 4 and 3, 7. So 793 food item being sold. Okay. The question is, how many children have not bought anything there? The total 1417 was total number of children. 59 was the difference between boys and girls. Okay, the total number of children is 1417. If we subtract 1417 minus 793 food item which has been sold, it means we can find the number of children hasn't bought anything. So 793 of kids have bought something. So by doing the subtraction, 1417 minus 793, we can find the number of children hasn't bought anything. 7 minus 3 is 4. 1 minus 9, not possible. You have to borrow. 4 will be 3. 1 will be 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. 3 minus 7 not possible again. We have to borrow. This will be 0. This will be 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 0. So 624 kids didn't buy anything. I have another problem here to solve. 2,532 women and 2,471 men have bought movie ticket last month. Round the numbers to nearest 100 and find about how many people have bought tickets. Then find the exact number. Okay, round the number to nearest 100. 2,532. We want to round it to nearest 100. 100 is, the group of 100 is 5. So we have to look at the right digit next to it. So the 3 will be round down. So this number round to 2,500. And also 2,471. Round to nearest 100. Okay, 4 is the group of 100. We look at the digit right beside to it. So 7 round up. So this number will round to 2,500 as well. Round the number and find about how many people have bought ticket. So when we see the word of about, it means, usually it means we have to round the number, which we did. So 2,500 plus 2,500, which will be 5,000. So it's the total about 5,000 ticket has been sold. Okay, then find the exact number. To find the exact number, we had to add the exact numbers. 2,532 plus 2,471, 2 and 1, 3, 7 and 3, 10, 1 goes up, it's 9 and 1, 10, 1 goes up, and 5. So the exact number is 5,003 ticket, and the about how many people have bought ticket? 5,000. Round the numbers to nearest 10 and find the difference of women and men. Okay. Now 2,532. Round to nearest 10. So we look at, this is group 10s, so 2 has to round, which will round down. So 2,530, the next one 71. Okay, it's group 10. Look at the 1. 1 has to be round, so it's 2,470. And then find the difference of women and men. Okay, for finding the difference is the keyword for subtracting. So 2,530 minus 2,470, and which obviously we put the bigger number on the top. Group of 1,000 are the same. We look at the next group, which is group of hundreds. 5 is more, so this number is bigger. Okay, 0 minus 0, 3 minus 7 not possible. We have to borrow. It will be 4, it will be 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So 60. The difference of men and women is 60. Then find the exact difference. For the exact difference, we have to subtract the exact numbers. So 2,532 minus 2,470. 471. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 7, not possible. We have to borrow. It's 4. It's 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, so the numbers are pretty close. The exact number is 61, and the round one is 60. So this is another problem solving. If you are struggling with math, consider subscribing, as we have different videos for different math topics.